Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Boxplots reveal hidden data patterns quickly if you know where to look. Let us break down this problem in under 60 seconds to find the answer. First, identify the 5-number summary for both groups. Roads with art range from 25 to 45, while roads without art range from 30 to 50. Notice the distribution shift. Compare the values directly. Every point in the 5-number summary for roads with art is strictly less than the corresponding value for roads without art. This indicates a downward shift. Option E correctly states that every value in the 5-number summary for roads with art is lower than for roads with art, confirming that drivers travel at much slower speeds. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid misreading medians. Always compare all values to verify the correct data distribution for accuracy.